but we want the experience to be felt, not just intellectual. So we actually do programs like culture tours, where just recently we've taken two different cohorts to a 4-day tour of Hoysala circuit, two different batches, 14 temples, where we walk them through the cultural experience of Bharata, to understand what it means in terms of combining arts, combining archaeology, combining temple traditions, economic systems that are organized around temple traditions, the socio systems that manage the temple traditions. A lot of discourse today is not informed by an actual understanding of what it takes to run a temple. Right? We haven't been taught that. Uh, we haven't been exposed to what happens in a temple, or what happens through a temple for a village or for a district. Right? So the feedback on that was just fantastic. It was transformative. We've had so many people come back and tell us that, you know, all through our adult life we've gone to temples maybe just randomly, but we haven't actually had this kind of understanding. Right? So you start, it's almost like you get a new pair of eyes. You start looking at the same thing that you looked at always, but afresh. Right? So this is the power of cultural immersion. This is the power of getting into contact with our ecosystems. It is genuinely transformative. That is the moral imagination, that is the moral logic for what we do. It is not, of course, there is a very clear recognition of what are the dangers our civilization faces, but at its core, it is an enterprise of elevating human experience. Right? And that is what we feel our civilization has done. And that is why it needs to be protected through a very clear distinction between what is us and what is not us. Right? So this is the work that we do.